Hello, listener, and welcome to 30 Leagues Below. Down here, nothing moves. I hope you've liked, subscribed, and ring that bell icon to follow me and get more of my sweet content. Tonight, we're getting back on track with the readings. I've got a delicious treat for you called Were I a Bird by Edward Smyth Jones. So sit back, relax, and just listen in. Were I a bird, free-born to fly, aloof on two wee downy wings, my canopy would be the sky, when rosy morn its dawning springs. Were I a bird, I'd sweetly sing earth's vesper song in treetops high, to chant the carol of the spring to every weary passerby. Were I a bird, the sweetest voice that human ear has ever heard, the mockingbird would be my choice, for he's the sweetest singing bird. Were I a bird, my life would be in keeping with the wills divine. I'd sing his carols full and free in spreading oak and coney pine. Were I a bird, through air I'd roam, just flitting on the morning breeze, in search of summer's sunny dome, to live contentedly at ease. Were I a bird, I'd sing a tune for farmers seeking shady rest beneath the spreading oak in June, and swinging boughs that rock my nest. Were I a bird, I'd scale the cliff when dawns the bleak December day. Far from the ice and snow I'd shift until the fairest day in May. Were I a bird, a mockingbird, the king of birdies' singing sons, my music would forever be heard, as sweet as I sweet sang to cheerless ones. Were I a bird, I'd seek my rest when jocund day blows out his light in boughs that hover o'er my nest. I'd sweetly sing, good night, good night. And good night to you, dear listener. I hope you rest well and wake in the morn feeling peaceful and relaxed. See you next time.